Good morning, everyone. My name is my name is Casey, and today I'll be presenting to you my Tableau assignment. So to start off, we'll do measure by company. So basically, this shows the average TC measure of all the companies. This is, if you notice, this particular bar here is going the opposite direction because it's in the negatives. The rest are in the positives, but you can see that Baldwin's TC measure is a lot higher than the other companies. And then this is measured by round. So this is like they call it a timeline. So round one, everyone's kind of pretty much low. But then as you get into round two and round three, you notice it starts to increase slightly. It looks to me like company Baldwin, of course, has the highest TC measure at round one, and then of course they dominate in round two and three. And like in this last one, Baldwin was high. Baldwin had a high TC measure of 1.073, while everybody else was like 0.097, 0.355, 0.329, 0.509, 0.418, 0.218, and over here Erie is negative 0.155. But that kind of shows you like the rounds. It kind of makes sense that Baldwin has a high number because in the rounds they're high in all three rounds, as you can see. And then measurement comparison. So as you can see, this is the scatter plot. Erie is well below the averages, and these are the measure values. So if you notice how the sizes of the circle go, Baldwin has a big circle. And then Erie, you can barely see. It's like a little small dot down here. Andrews is 0.097. So if you see over here, Andrews' size bubble is the size right here because it's 0.0. And then Garrett is this size. And then Chester is in between, looks like to me. And then this is the average. So the average is like between 0.2 and 0.4. And then Ferris is 0.4, like slightly over 0.4. Digby is 0.5, so it's right between the 0.4 and 0.6. And then Baldwin, of course, is like the biggest circle. That it's obvious to me that it's the highest number. Oh, we seen all through the we've seen all through the graphs that Baldwin carries the highest number by rounds. They increase by rounds, and they have the highest number. And then the interaction amongst charts. So here's the measure by company. Here's the measure by round, and here's the measure by comparison. As you can see, Baldwin is kind of the common denominator to me. Looks like Baldwin has the highest number in all these charts. Also Erie. Of course, these numbers should be the same simply because they all show like Erie is down here, and then Erie is like the small dot here, and then Baldwin is here, Baldwin is here, and Baldwin is here. So, excuse me, the lowest number, as you can tell, is Erie, and the highest number, as you can tell, is Baldwin, and it's in all the graphs. It's in all the charts displayed up here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. And that's pretty much it. Have a great rest of your morning.